Abi, Abi, Abi. Ay, Jake! 1, 2, 3, smile. Lang kayo.
Siguradong hindi ka maniniwala kapag sinabi kong parang isang pelikula ang aking buhay. Magkasama sila Jay, Faith, at Trisha. Buo ng araw ko. Araw-araw silang nagpapasaya sa akin. Kaya kung wala sila, di ko na alam kung anong buhay meron ako. I hope this memory will stay forever. We've been friends since we were young. Pinaka-close ko si Faith sa kanilang tatlo. Jake and Faith are like a lover. Alam namin na pareho silang may gusto sa isa't isa. Trisha loves to capture everything. Siya palaging nagbe-video and sometimes mahilig siyang magpa-video to some random people without caring about her equipment. We were happy. We made a lot of memories. Sadness, happiness, and many more. We were there for each other. We're like a family. But it didn't last. Everything was gone. Naging mapag-isa ako. I was just sad. Then I became so numb. Si Jake and Trish, napagod na sila sa akin. I only have faith. One day, I became worse than ever. I wanted to kill myself. I can't accept it. Every day, the pain is still there. But I am fighting. Kasi natatakot ako na mawala rin si Faith. Everywhere I feel and see a Faith, you love flowers and I do too. I am angry at the world. Pero please, wag mo rin akong iwan. I don't want you to be one of my memories. Stay here with me. I want to spend my lifetime with you. I love you very much, like a sister. If one day I will lose you, I will forever hate flowers. No, I will miss it forever. So Faith, bear with me. Even though I am not fine, I am forever lost. I wonder how long would I suffer? How long would it hurt me? How long before you also get tired and leave me? Hindi kita bibitawan, Faith. Kung kaya ko lang ibalik ang dati, gagawin ko nang hindi nagdadalawang isip. Kung magiging masaya ako ulit, makita ko lang ang dati niyong ngiti, marinig ko muli ang inyong mga tawa, makasabay kayo muli sa paglakad, kakain ng sabay-sabay kasama kayo. Pero gusto ko nang mamatay. Pagod na ako. How can I stay alive when I am already dead inside? I am sick. Pakiramdam ko, Wala na akong pahe kahit gumuho na ang mundo ngayon. Siguro, ikaw lang, Fate, ang makakaligtas sa akin. Walang nakarealize how mentally it is to be this messed up in the head and try to fight and make everything fine. I tried to fight, but I always end up sad and empty. Fate? No, 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 no. You can't leave me, Fate.
Faith?
I didn't expect na makikita ko si Trish and Jake.
Kamusta ka na? Jake!
Alam kong ayaw niya ako makita. Pero di ko alam na ganito siya kagalit sa akin. Teka, si Faith?
Faith? Si Faith! Faith! Asan si Faith?
Abby! Patay na si Faith! Stop!
And the memory came back.
Years from the moment I met you, I'd spend a lifetime missing you. There was a day that we shared a room. Now all we share is the moon. Ooh.
Naalala ko lahat. Nagplano kami maligo muli sa dagat. Bago magpasukan ng bagong school year, bigla akong nilapitan ni Trisha dahil palubat na ang kamera. Kaya umalis ako para kunin ang isa pang kamera sa kotse. Sumunod naman sa akin si Jake dahil nasa kanya palang susi ng kotse. Naiwan si Trisha at Faith. Nagbalak na silang mauna maligo.
Faith! Faith! Faith!
Pagbalik namin, ramdam ko nang may mali. Naririnig ko na lamang si Trish. Sinisigaw ang pangalan ni Faith.
Faith! Faith!
I will meet you at the graveyard, where you lay down, where you stay now, face down, cold. I'm no longer by my side now. Wish we were together now, no one I will see ya. I will meet you at the graveyard, where you lay down, where you stay now, face down, cold. I'm no longer by my side now. Wish we were together now, no one I will see ya. Undecided between life and past, and lost your battle. Life was up, but I was always here. I'll catch you tight. Oh, I thought we'd be together till life was over, but you left too soon. Now I'm no longer sober. Alright, my friend, we always said we'd live this life until we made it to the end. So why aren't you right here?
Abby! Patay na si Faith! Abby! Matagal lang patay si Faith! Stop! Abby, please move on!
Shut up! Who Trish. Nakikita ko na laging masaya. Laging masaya. Parang wala ka ng pake. Lagi ka na lang nakangiti. Ano to? Nakamove on ka na? Tapos naman si Jake. Parang iniwan lang. Parang iniiwasan na lang. Parang wala na kami pinagsamahan. Parang hindi ko siya naging kaibigan. Di namin siya naging kaibigan.
Paano naman kami, Abby? Paano kami?
Buhay kayo!
Kaya nga, Abby, boy kami! Patay na si Faith!
Kaibigan pa ba kita? Bakit pa naman ako po yung may kasalanan? Bakit parang ako yung kailangan magbago? Hindi mo ba alam? Hirap! Nahirap ako! Nawala! Nawala! Safe!
Ano kami? Bato? Nung walang nararamdaman? Nung wala din kami ng kaibigan? Nung wala din kami ng kaibigan? Hindi lang si Pinang nawala, kasi pati ikaw! Kailangan kita ng mga oras na yun, Abby. Sa tingin mo masaya ako noon? Kailangan kita pero hindi kita mahanap. Nasasaktan din ako, Abby, kasi nawalan din ako ng tamaan. Bakit pinapakita mo? Bakit parang pinapakita mo sa akin tsaka kay Jake na parang ikaw lang yung nasaktan? Alam mo ba, masakit din sa amin. Ano naman yung matotohanan, Trisha?
I don't want to be safe! Want to be fixed! Just leave me the fuck alone!
Fine, Abby. Gusto mo marinig din yung katotohanan? Ha? Yung naiisip ko na sana ikaw na lang yung namatay. At si Faith yung buhay. Kasi alam mo ba, Abby, maiintindihan pa ni Faith lahat.
Tama si Trisha. Ako na lang sanang namatay. Siguro mawawala ang galit ni Trisha at Jake sa akin kung hindi lang ako nagpabulag sa kalungkutan. Baka nakita ko rin na nasaktan din si Trisha at Jake sa nangyari. Kasama na ako sa Faith. At nang matapos na itong nararamdaman kong sakit, Trish?
I can only imagine how hard things have been for you lately. I want you to know that it is okay to feel overwhelmed by everything that's happened. The grief can feel unbearable at times. It's important to remember that your feelings are valid and it's okay to grieve. You don't have to heal alone. There are ways to cope with this pain, and there are people who want to support you through this. It's important to lean on those who care about you and to allow yourself to grieve in a way that's natural for you.
Sorry. Mamaya pa itong darating si Jake. So, kamusta ka na?
Eto, gumagaling na.
Ay, wala rin, hindi nalabot.
Ay, wait lang. Taas mo pa konti. Yan, yun. Wait lang. Sige pa ganit. Naka-play na?
Ano, hindi ka makita. Oo, okay lang, mag-talk pa. Wait lang, palit na tayo. Ay, ba? Wala, blurred ata. Ayan.
If I told you things I did before, told you how I used to be, would you go on with someone
Ay, Sonic, kaya mo siyang buhatin sa shoulder mo. Hello, nagsasunbathing po si ano.
story word for word had all of my history? Would you go along with someone like me?
I did before and had my share. It didn't lead nowhere. I would go along with someone like you. It doesn't matter what you did, who you were hanging with.
1, 2, go!
We could stick around and
2, 3,
see this night
go!
through. And we don't care about the young folks talking about the outside.
Ano?
And we don't care about the old folks talking about the old side too. And we don't care about the young folks talking about their own style. All we care about is talking over me and you. Usually when things has gone this far, people tend to disappear. No one will surprise me unless you do.
I can tell there's something going on. Ours seems to disappear. Everyone is leaving, I'm still with you. It doesn't matter what we do, where we are going to. We can stick around and see this night through. And we don't care about the young folks talking about the young side. And we don't care about the old folks talking about the old style too. And we don't care about our own folks talking about our own style. All we care about is talking on me and you. And we don't care about the young folks talking about the outside. And we don't care about the old folks talking about the old style too. And we don't care about our own folks talking about our own style. All we care about is talking on me and you. Talking on me and you.
Hindi kasi mas...
Talking on me and you.
Para kayong mga baliw!